Imagine a life where your time is your own and the 9 to 5 grind is a distant memory. Welcome to the Big Price Drops channel, where we help you turn that dream into a reality. Let's face it, many of us are caught in the rat race, a relentless, self-perpetuating cycle of long hours, stress, and little personal freedom. We wake up, we rush to work, we come home exhausted, rinse and repeat. We're living for the weekends, but even those are often consumed by the dread of Monday morning. We're not just talking about a few unfortunate souls here. Studies show that a staggering 3/4 of employees worldwide feel disengaged at work, while a whopping 80% are actively looking for new job opportunities. This is not just a trend, it's an epidemic. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. The rat race is not a life sentence. You have the power to break free. Let's explore how. So, how do you escape the rat race? It starts with understanding that time is your most valuable asset. Yes, you heard it right. Time, not gold, not diamonds, but time is the true treasure. Imagine time as a river constantly flowing, never stopping, never waiting. And just like a river, once it passes, it never comes back. This is why we must learn to value our time and use it to our advantage. How, you might ask? One effective way is by outsourcing tasks. Yes, outsourcing. In an age where time is more valuable than ever, outsourcing is like a modern alchemy, transforming your time into gold. Let others handle the mundane and repetitive tasks while you focus on what truly matters. By doing this, you're essentially buying time, freeing yourself for more valuable pursuits. You're not just working hard, you're working smart. Remember, time is the only asset you cannot earn more of. Use it wisely. Next, you need to understand how to leverage money and the power of the internet. Now, let's look at the world of finance from a different viewpoint. It's not just about earning and saving, it's also about investing and multiplying. Smart investments can transform your hard-earned money into a powerful tool for wealth creation. Consider the stock market, real estate, or even starting your own business as potential avenues. Each of these can provide a return on your investment, which can then be reinvested to further increase your wealth. This is the magic of compounding, the snowball effect that can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Now let's talk about borrowing. Borrowing money is often seen as a last resort, a sign of financial distress. However, in the world of finance, borrowing is a tool, not a crutch. Imagine you could borrow money at a certain interest rate and then invest it in a venture that yields a higher return. This is called leveraging, and it's a strategy used by many successful entrepreneurs and investors. Next, let's dive into the vast ocean of opportunities that is the internet. In the 21st century, the internet has become an indispensable tool for wealth creation. From online businesses and e-commerce to digital assets and cryptocurrencies, the internet is teeming with potential. Consider this. An online business can reach customers across the globe, something that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. E-commerce is a booming industry, and with the right product or service you could tap into this lucrative market. Digital assets such as websites, blogs, or even social media accounts can generate a steady stream of passive income. And then there's the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, a frontier of finance that's still being explored. In essence, the internet is a goldmine waiting to be exploited. It provides a platform where, with a bit of creativity and a lot of dedication, you can create your own wealth. Your money and the internet are powerful tools waiting to be exploited. Use them wisely. You now have the knowledge to escape the 9 to 5 grind, but knowledge without action is just potential wasted. You see, the journey from paycheck to prosperity is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about applying what you've learned each and every day and making small but significant steps towards your financial freedom. This is only the beginning. We've scratched the surface of a world where time is not sold for money, where you're not bound by the constraints of a 9 to 5. There is much more to explore, to learn, and to leverage. And we're here to guide you on this journey. So, if you're ready to step out of the rat race and step into a life of prosperity, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to Big Price Drops. We have a wealth of content waiting for you, filled with contrarian views about money, saving, and economics. Thank you for watching. Remember, your future is in your hands. Subscribe to Big Price Drops and start your journey to freedom today.